This is Amris kit by Georgia Pugo. She sculpts her babies to be African American, ethnic. So when we paint them ethnic, they're not just painted ethnic, they're actually sculpted with ethnic in mind. And I have to say, this is like one of the best kits I have ever seen or painted. He is just beautiful. Unfortunately, I can't show you his boy parts, but they're so realistic, it's unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. He's had his first creasing layer. It's a little bit different from when I paint my Caucasians. I custom blended it, so with some shadowing. You can see it. He'll get more as we go, but yes. Don't get excited and go look for him. I don't want to be disappointing you guys, but he's already gone. All 18 of him. Unless you find somebody who's got him for sale. But he's adorable. I'll show you guys in a bit once I have another layer on him. And as we go along, I'll keep posting updates if I remember. I am like so forgetful. I seriously have CRS. But I'm an herb girl too, so that's definitely a contributor. Alright guys, stay tuned. I'll be back with an update on his painting. And if anybody is interested in getting a baby painted, because it is much cheaper to have a baby painted than it is to have somebody just get the kit and complete it. So say you have a kit, you already got your kit, and you want somebody to paint it, you can go to my Etsy shop. It's Nay's Queendom, just like my YouTube, and you'll see my painting services listing in there. Once you message me with your size and your details and what you want done, the kit and so forth, then I will give you an estimated cost. And if you wish to proceed, then I'll create a listing for you. But yep, this little guy is so adorable. All right, say bye.